Launch your first business in just one weekend. Starting your own business can seem like a mountain of a task. But what if you could reach that summit in just one weekend? Let's dive in. First, identify your passion. What drives you? This isn't just about making money, it's about creating something you believe in. Your passion is your compass. Next, market research is key. Who needs what you're offering? Understanding your audience is like finding a map to treasure. It guides every decision you make. Now, let's talk name and brand. Your business name and logo aren't just identifiers, they're your first impression. Make them memorable, make them resonate with your audience. With your brand in hand, it's time to build your online presence. A simple, sleek website and social media profiles can be set up in hours, not days. Product or service development comes next. Keep it simple. Your first offer doesn't need to be complex, just valuable. Solve a problem, fill a need. Then, it's time to spread the word. Use social media, reach out to friends and family, and consider local advertising. Your network is wider than you think. Remember, feedback is golden. Listen to your first customers. Their insights will help you refine and grow. Be open to evolve based on what they say. Launching your business in a weekend is possible. It requires focus, dedication, and passion. Start now, and by Monday, you could be a business owner. Take that first step.